Okay, so how do you stay healthy and eat right throughout the week? It's hard. We're always in a hurry, right? So what's important is to know to meal plan. That's what I do. Every Sunday, I go grocery shopping. I kind of know what the dinners are for the week. So I like to grill up a bunch of different lean proteins. I get chicken out there and I really lean it out and I chop it all up and put it in separate containers. Then I do some salmon and I grill the salmon. Then I get out vegetables and chop a bunch of vegetables and I wash all of my lettuces and I do a big bowl of quinoa so I have it. So that way throughout the week I could mix and match things. I can make a nice chicken salad. I could have some salmon for dinner, some fresh veggies. It's all done for me. So I really have to meal plan. And that's what Sundays are all about for me. So give it a try this year.